We see Bitcoin is pumping. Is this a huge trap or is it the start to go to 26? Bratans, let us watch here. I told you in my Telegram group, unfortunately, this day, the whole day, I didn't one video because I had the massage and anus massage and so on. Bratan, the thing is, we see right now here a huge pump, right? However, 4 hourly is very overbought, 1 hourly is heavily overbought, and 15 minute is also heavily overbought. So this is what I want to speak with you about, and I want, yes, this is what I want. And by the way, let me quickly show you here, Slavik Alerts group. Make sure that you are joined this group. If you're trading through my affiliate link, then you have free access here, because here I showed you all my entry positions the whole day where I took profit, where I jumping again in a trade. This is, make sure that you join it. It's absolutely for free if you're trading through my affiliate link, and you get also an update video, news. You get also summarized my videos. So make sure you don't want to miss out on this. So let me show you quickly here. I was in a long, I jumped in a long from here, from 20k, took here approximately 20,500. I took profits, and then I opened again here. I waited until it cooled down because I didn't know will we dump or pump. I waited until it cooled down and opened again here approximately 20,000 or 500 or 400 again in a new long, and I took also again profit. This is what all I showed you in the Telegram group. Here's my first profits, around $400, and next profits was also again around $400. So today around $800 again. Congratulations to everyone who followed me on Telegram. You made also a lot of profits. I see also whoever trading through my affiliate link, I see how much profits we made today. Congratulations, Bradan. And now let us watch here, because this is a very important moment right now. So what I'm expecting here, like I told you, it's heavily overbought. Right now, I wouldn't go long. I'm waiting again until we're cooling down, because all time frames are heavily overbought. So I guessing, or not I guessing, I just waiting. Either if we reach 20, we have 3 levels, 20,650, 20,419 and 20,180. If we're breaking 20,180, this is for me a moment where I go short on Bitcoin, right? Because this is a huge support line back from October, right? So nearly how much? 3 weeks. You see support. So if we break this line, then I jumping into short, right? Until that moment, I will open, I will watch the RSI. If we are cooled down enough at 20,650, I open here long. Or if we reach 10,400, I open here long. Or if we're reaching 20,000, around 20,200, I open here long. If we're breaking below 20,200 or 20,180, let's say 20,200, then I jumping in a big short. So let me quickly speak about the short opportunity. I extend this line a little bit without redrawing it. So if we are breaking below 20,200, this is a moment where going into a short, and then the technical price target is here, this orange line at 18,560 approximately. This could be short of 8.1%, 10 average 81, 20 average 162%. If we are bouncing on this orange line, on this white line, or on the second white line, then I'm expecting Bitcoin further to pump. So which are the price targets? So I expecting. So if you are right now in a long, take some profits. You can let the trade open, move stop loss to your entry position, but please take profits right now. So I'm watching here for this entry position 20,650, 20,400 and 20,200. So let's assume we are reaching here around 20,700. Then the technical price target is 21,500, slightly below this 3.8%, 10x average 38%, 20x average over 76%. The next price target slightly below 22k, 21,900. This is 6%, 10x average 60%, 20x average or 120%. Obviously, if we're reaching this white line, we can make even more profits, right? If we are opening from 20,200, then it's even 8.5%, 10x average 100, 85%, 20x average over 170% long opportunity, right? But I'm watching when we're cooling down, because this is too overheated. 1 hourly, too much overheated. 15 minute, too much overheated. And also bearish divergence. You see here, RSI is going down while the price is moving up. And 4 hourly also heavily overheated. You see also no, you're not here. Bearish divergence. It's very clear bearish divergence. So I standing on the sideline right now again, the second time this day. and waiting until we're cooling down, and then I open again a long. In the big picture here on the daily, we are watching for the price target of around 26k. Why? Because we broke out of this descending broadening wedge, bratans. And yes, even if we are going down to 18,500, this would be still bullish and still healthy, so we can cool down because daily getting also overbought heavily. So if we're reaching 80,500, it's still bullish as long as we're not breaking down below this white line, below 80,500. Then we are back in our descending broadening wedge, and then I expecting Bitcoin to go at around even around 11,600. So very clear right now. Still 26k is our price target since several days or weeks right now, because as soon as we broke out here, I told you exactly. And right now for us day traders, what is important, like I told you, for us day traders, it's important to wait until we cooling down. I extend this line a little bit so it's more beautiful. So maybe black. No, nothing beautiful. So for us day traders, we are waiting for cooling down. 1 hourly heavily overbought. If 1 hourly, 4 hourly, 50-minute cool down. So either this orange line or this first white line 20,400 or around 20,200. This when we're opening a long. Obviously, if you're breaking below 20,200, we are switching into short. If you also want to trade, bratan, on Bitget, for example, you can get on Bitget. Link is down below. Win out of $10,000 prize pool, you can after initial deposit get $8,000 for free, and after your first trade you get 50 USD free after your first trade on Bitget. Or you can also make registration, or you can make on both. I trading on both. On Bybit, you get $4,620 for free after a certain amount of initial deposit. If you don't match any of these requirements, you still get absolutely free access to my Discord Telegram channel. So make sure you make a registration on Bitget or Bybit or on both. And if you're trading through my link, then like I explained to you, you get free access here to my Telegram channel, which is very valuable because like today when I make some massage, you know, then I only making quickly on the Telegram because I don't have time for this, right? Let us quickly watch Ethereum right now, because Ethereum is also very important. We can make huge gains on Ethereum. I'm watching on the 4-hourly Ethereum, or let me show you on the daily, because right now we're coming to a very big resistance line. This resistance line is since last year October, so nearly 1 year old. So it's a huge resistance. You see resistance, 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 and it would turn also into resistance. So if we break this resistance to the upside in the next days, this will be very bullish. I'm expecting even that we could go to 3k Ethereum, right? However, if we get rejected, then the first big price tag will be 1,300. Then obviously we can go lower. This is what I'm watching right now. For us day traders, what is right now most important for us day traders is this big resistance most important. So if Bitcoin further pumping, then I'm expecting here that we will reach 1,720. This is a 3.2% long opportunity. 10x 32, 20x average over 64% long opportunity. If Bitcoin is dumping, then I'm expecting here that we will reach first price tag 1,550. Next one 1,490, and next one the yellow line at around 1,286. So 22% short opportunity. Thanks to 220, 20x 440% short opportunity, right? But we are expecting Bitcoin to cooling down after a C break to the upside further. So we could see here Ethereum going down to 1,600, 1,550, and then further long. Further pumping because Bitcoin then pumping, right? So Ethereum price targets also very clear. Also, so Ethereum you can trade on Bitget, on Bybit, or just buying on spot. So make sure you don't missing out on this bonuses, because I don't know how long they're available. And let us right now watch S&P 500, because S&P 500 is the leading indicator for Bitcoin and Ethereum. You see S&P 500 cool down as expected. Right now 1 hourly neutral, 4 hourly is also neutral. This is amazing. And 15-minute is slightly overbought. So I expecting here that S&P 500 could a little bit more cool down. This will be very healthy. And then if S&P 500 further pumping, Bitcoin pumping, S&P 500 dumping, Bitcoin dumping. So watch out for the S&P 500. Also here, I told you in October, if we are breaking this purple line to the upside, we will see pump S&P 500. And in the Bitcoin, this exactly happened. This was our breakout of this descending broadening wedge on Bitcoin. Exactly here, S&P 500 caused this breakout. And if we are also here cooling down to 3,533, the S&P 500, I'm expecting that Bitcoin will go to 18,500. We will touch this white line from the descending broadening wedge, which I showed you before. And as long as we are not breaking this purple line from the S&P 500 again down, I'm remain very bullish. If we're breaking, then Bitcoin go to toilet, blood, and everything go to toilet, right? If S&P 500 bouncing on this line, this would be very healthy. So let us watch. I hoping we are cooling a little bit more down, because then we have even more potential to go to the upside. S&P 500, watch out. But from in my opinion, it's very clear what to do in the S&P 500 blood on Bitcoin right now. I personally not a financial advice. I am waiting for a cool down, because we are heavily overbought. If I see we are getting a cool down, then so watching 20,650 level, 20,400 and 20,200. If we reach one of these levels, then I said another long. It could be that we never reach this and see further pump, but however, then it's like this. But I made already a lot of profit. You too. Better to wait than to lose money. So very clear, bratans. Please write me down below. What do you think about it? And if you have any questions, write them down below on Telegram group, bratans. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.